Dear students of Standard 12, welcome to the class of English for today. Today we are going to learn Lesson 2 from Unit 9. Our topic's name is Bangla Town in East London. This text is derived from Nazli Kibria's book Muslims in Motion, Islam and National Identity in the Bangladeshi Diaspora. Nazli Kibria, she is the Associate Dean of Boston University in Social Science Department, and she is the daughter of our former finance minister Shah A.M.S. Kibria. You may have heard about her. So let's see what the text about. Bangla Town. It is situated in Brick Lane of East London. Brick Lane is a street in the East London boroughs, of which Tower Hamlets has the highest concentration. You get a new word here, boroughs. That means one of the administrative division of a large city, or we can say a town or part of a city that has its own local government and that forms the constituency of a member of parliament. From here, two MP, that is Rushnara Ali and Afsana Begum of Labour Party, was elected. You may have heard about them. So let's see what is the other thing the text tells us. According to the data of 2011, 49% of total British Bangladeshi people live in London. That means more than 222,000 Bangladeshi people live in London. And Bengali is the official second language here. Around 72,000 residents speak in Bangla. And this place is also famous for curry houses. If someone observes the area minutely, he or she can get the miniature of Bangladesh. He can see the street signs are not just in English but also in Bengali. The lampposts are green and red in color. That means this color is the color of our national flag. Advertisements of different types of business such as foods, airlines, restaurants, books, clothes, etc. are also seen here. This also shows the presence of Bangladeshis. You can also see the branch of government bank like Sonali Bank here. You may also find men wear long white tunics, baggy pants and white head caps. That means men wear Punjabi pajama and tupi. Women wear black burqa and jeans with long shirts along with bright sequined hijabs on their heads. Sequined hijabs means chumki khuchito hijab. So by their clothes, one can easily identify them as Bangladeshis. There are some visible landmarks here also, such as Kobi Nazrul Center, Shohid Minar, and Altawali Park. These all the things bear the testimony of Bangladesh and Bangladeshi culture. Actually, the people of this area arranged or designed the place in such a way that tourists can be attracted by it. In 2001, the British Bangladeshi got the official designation of Bangla Town for Brick Lane. The British Bangladeshi leaders of the second generation work hard to get this designation. It shows their political voice in Britain. If you want to read more about this Brick Lane, you can read the novel Brick Lane written by Monica Ali. Monica Ali is a Bangladeshi-born British writer and novelist, and this novel was published in 2003. Later on, a movie was made in 2007 on the same name, Brick Lane. You may watch it. Actually, this novel tells us the story of Nazneen, a Bangladeshi woman of 18 years old who married to an older man and moved to London. This novel explores her life and adaptation in the community. So all this about the text. Actually, you have already done the model questions of this text. So here is HW for you. You have to learn paragraph, Rohingya refugee and child labor. We'll meet soon with the new topic. Till then, thank you and goodbye.